Need to update your bank details for Tesco direct debits or payments? It's now easier than ever through the Tesco app. This section will guide you through the process. Since the app redesign in Q2 2024, you can manage linked bank accounts directly within the Payments section. This includes updating details for Club Card credit card payments, Tesco bank loans, or even just topping up your Club Card balance. To start, navigate to Account, then Payments, and finally Direct Debits within the app. From there, you can add a new bank account using either your sort code and account number or by taking a photo of your ID for instant verification via open banking protocols. For enhanced security, you'll need to confirm via SMS and may be required to use multi-factor authentication such as fingerprint or Face ID. Once the new account is added and verified, you can deactivate the old one. If you're a Tesco Bank customer, the app supports seamless switching between accounts, even for overdrafts or savings pots, with no fees. Remember, changes typically take effect within 1 to 2 business days, so plan accordingly. This streamlined process ensures uninterrupted payments while adhering to UK FCA regulations for secure data handling. Before making any changes, be aware of a few key points. The Tesco app uses open banking APIs to securely link your accounts without sharing full credentials, reducing fraud risk. Biometric verification is crucial for protecting your account, aligning with PSD2 regulations. Always ensure you're using the official Tesco app to avoid phishing scams. After updating your details, keep an eye on your transaction history to confirm the changes are reflected correctly. If you encounter any issues, such as verification delays, especially during peak times like Black Friday, contact Tesco support immediately. Remember that any changes made are encrypted and stored on Tesco's secure servers, complying with GDPR. If you are having issues due to the new app update, ensure that you are running the latest version of the app. Keeping these security measures in mind will help ensure a smooth and secure experience when managing your bank details on the Tesco app.